Hey, it's Corey. It's at the Severn Woodlands Nature Reserve, set up by an old beaver pond, and we'll see what kind of things that we see. I've already seen some moose tracks on the way in. Hopefully, they'll come out for a stroll. Okay, hope you enjoy. See you soon. More sign. They're moving around out here, so I'll keep going. It's a very quiet morning out here. The water is a nice reprieve from the silence. I'm up on a high point in the forest, all hardwood. Again, lots of tracks around. And some no sightings yet, but I'm hopeful. Well, this is a trail. The website said there was no trails out here, but apparently there is. Oh, oh, raven in the distance. Cool. Well, the trail brought me out to the open marshland, and the only thing that I've seen is the ravens coming around. When I was flying the drone, they had to come check it out. Anyway, beautiful place. Probably going to come back here in the summer. Well, a very enjoyable walk. Mixed forests, open swamp, den, or fen areas, even reforestation. Tons of tracks. Only got to see a blue jay and some rough grouse. But yeah, beautiful hiking bush. That's for darn sure. Hope you enjoyed.